Hi guys. Okay, so you guys have seen a lot of video of the seminar that we did a couple weeks now, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Seen a lot of the videos of the guys. Well, when we decided to do this, something that a lot of people had asked for was the resin. They wanted to learn a little bit about the resin. Well, that kind of would interfere. We didn't schedule that, so to put it bluntly. But a couple of the guys, actually 3 of them, brought their wives, and I thought, instead of them sitting around or just kind of getting bored, that I would set something up and we would do some resin. So you're going to see this video of the gals that were here that I met for the first time. Amazing ladies, had so much fun. They did a board. They did their own colors. They did amazing job. Never used resin before, but a lot of them are excited to go home and do resin now. So the video that you're going to see a lot of pictures because the camera was out here with the guys and not necessarily in there with Rachel or with the gals and I when Rachel was videoing, so she used the phone. But there's a lot of pictures that are going to be in there. There's a video that has no sound because we had some sound issues. But I hope you like the video, and I think next year we'll probably be planning that into, or next year in the spring, we will be somehow integrating that into the actual seminars. So I hope you like the video. Let me know what you think, and enjoy. Oh, quiet moments here.
Oh, shoot.
Don't worry.
That wasn't quiet, was it?
Concentrating.
Anybody want yellow? No, I'm alright. Some of your blue though.
Before I go.
Before I go.
Yeah, this is where we use all the resin, and again, and it's funny because we're gonna put it on here, but it'll go over, and a lot of people would take this and they peel it, and then they use it, they cut circles out of it to make jewelry, or,
Oh wow.
you know, stuff like
Yeah.
that, these pieces.
That's
What they call
cool.
skins.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Anybody want a little bit of teal for turquoise?
Maybe. Anybody need blood red?
I'm good. I'm gonna finish off. Is it okay if I finish this white off? Are you done with it?
Sure. I'm making designs like it's gonna come out the same, right?
You know what? It makes a difference. It really does.
Oh really?
Yes, it does.
I thought
That's like, remember when I did this, I poured it out and I did that
Yeah.
on that, that's a swirl?
Oh
This
yeah,
is
right?
just gonna be a
Yeah.
so absolutely it does.
let's get more baby yolk in here.
Alright, let's gather all the dirty, icky. Got, pick up your thing and put it on top.
Here you are.
Hold on to it. Ready, set, flip. Don't pick it up yet. Set it back down. And just let it set. Don't pick it up. And all that resin and that paint is going to go. You'll start maybe seeing some of it here.
Cool. Oh, this is fun.
Okay, so now you can see where it has set. See where yours is set?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
No.
Little at a time. Just a corner
Oh, just
walk.
a little?
Little at a time.
Straight up?
Yeah, otherwise you're going to get a suction.
Okay.
Alright?
Straight
And
up.
then lift.
Oh,
Alright,
you
you're not
guys.
level.
No, I'm not level. What do you need?
Lift up. It's okay. Lift your whole thing up. Now try it. Okay, no, stop. Nope. Okay. Still not level?
What is happening?
I thought it was level. I didn't check it.
Okay, now look. Pick it up. Go to the end. Not all the way, because you're going to want to get that around there first. And then, it's alright if it goes off, because it's going to go off there anyway. Now start letting it go off. Cover it all the way around.
Oh, I love the red in that one.
And then, set it down. Oh, look at that. Look at all the colors there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
I
might keep this one.
That's alright. You want it to go off there. Look at that.
Yeah, you
Look at
can
that.
see it.
Okay,
Wow.
let's get that on the end.
Okay. So you don't use your fingers on this one, right?
You can,
If you need to.
but I like the natural
Yeah,
flow
right.
rather than,
I don't know what the
Oh,
hell there.
cool.
It may be just where like you're cut, like you know.
it could just,
Yeah, just how the couple.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. That was the bubble that just popped. So maybe that's
Yours, yeah, right?
look at there. Look at that.
All right.
Wow.
the center.
I know. That is cool.
That lacing is gorgeous.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah, that one's
I
cool
like
too.
that one.
All right, now
Wow,
let me
this
get
is
this
fun.
off of here. Okay, here's your bin. We're gonna pass this around. Take off your gloves. We're gonna get some dry gloves on.
Those are very you colors.
Yeah, I know.
They're amazing.
Dry off a little bit. Now tell me that wasn't fun.
That was fun. That was very
It's like you,
fun.
but we're not done yet either.
Yeah.
And it's not something you did. It's just the way they now.
And
You could take a stick and do this swirl through it, or you can leave it. I think it's kind of cool the way it almost looks like a worm, like a
Wormhole.
underneath a
Oh, yeah.
microscope, you know.
Yeah.
Or worm tracks like when you see them under a rock, you
Yeah.
know, you kind of like, oh, there.
But I mean, or just try blowing them
Try to
out.
get over here and get
There
some
you
of
go.
yours.
Whatever you want to do.
Let's try with the dust.
Yeah, let me get
Yeah, you don't want to touch that gun. No, we really mucked it up.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. We had so much fun. We had such a blast getting to know these ladies. They were hilarious. Some quiet, some not so quiet, but we had a lot of fun. And I guess that's it. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Really get on the, I don't know, YouTube algorithms,
and
whatever. And let us know what you think. You can email me if you have any questions at vicki@davesigns@gmail.com. Email Eric anytime, eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do. Click on the little icon, this little bell icon. You'll be notified every time we do a video. Eric is on Instagram at Make a Wood Sign. I don't do
correct.
Instagram.
Good, you did that
And he's
well.
on Facebook. He posts videos on Pinterest. He does all that stuff. He spends hours doing that. But if you have any questions, email him directly. Don't do it through Facebook because he may not get it. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great week, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.